Okay, so I'm writing class, my class, or say welcome, open close curly brackets. Under this, I'm gonna write main. I hope you know main. Main is the starting point of your application. And in Java, how do we write main? We write main like this: public static void main. And this is how your main looks like. Main means a starting point of your application. Main is function, right? Main is function. When I say function or a method, it comes up with open close rounded bracket. In Java, we call it as a method. This main has one parameter, that is string, and that's a argument, that is string array. String array, open close square bracket stands for arrays. Don't worry if you don't understand. This is variable name. For now, I'm just showing you how to write a program. First program: class welcome, W capital, open close curly brackets, public static void main, open close curly bracket. This is ending, this is starting for main, ending for main. This is starting for a class, this is ending for class. Then under this, I'm gonna print some statements. System.out.println. System.out.println. What it is? This is to print on console. This is to print on console. System.out.println is to print on console. This is same like printf in C and cout in C++. Okay, so system is a class, S capital, out is a static object, println is a method, and I can print by using open close double quotes. So whatever I write under the double quotes will be printed. So I'm saying welcome to Java training. So how do we run this program and get this printed? To run this program, a standard says that, you should save your application as that of the file name. Even if you don't save, that is okay. But generally you should save your file name as that of the class name. So I'm copying this welcome and saving this file as under the double quotes welcome.java. I don't want extension as .java.txt. So to be specific, put it in double quotes so that it can take Java extension. Welcome.java. Save. If I close this, now I don't require this. So now under this directory, I have one notepad whose type is Java file. Can you see? Type is Java file and it is not txt. Okay, so if you can see, welcome, class welcome, public static void main. So let's run this program now. So to run this program, I need to go to this path. What is this path? This is the path, right? So let me copy this path and I can go to the directory. I'm coming back to a command prompt now. Let me change directory. I need to go to that directory so that so that I can execute my program. So this is the directory where my program is stored. I can show that by saying dir. So this dir shows that there is a one file, welcome.java. Now to run our program, I hope you remember what I need to do. I need to compile. Okay, so let me compile Java C welcome.java and press enter. Java C file name.java. So file is compiled. So what do you get after compilation? You get dot class. So please check if you have got dot class. Do you see this? We have got dot class. So now this dot class file is platform independent file. This dot class file is platform independent file. This can be executed on any operating system and not .java and not this file. This file is platform independent. compile once, run many times. Okay, now to run this, I will say Java welcome, enter. You don't need to provide extension, you just says Java. So this will load your welcome dot class into a JVM and execute. That's it. Do you see welcome to Java training is getting printed?